What's up, everybody? So for Christmas, my brother, who knows me very well, bought me these two blaster boxes, and I was very happy about that. He asked should he not have picked up two Prizms, and I told him, yeah, you probably should have got two Prizms, but who knows what we could get out of the Prestige. We'll see. You never know. He usually buys me boxes of cards every year, and usually I have some pretty good luck. Usually I guess he has good luck and passes it on, so we'll see. Maybe that will carry on to this year too. Either way, I was very thankful for the gift. The gift of cards is tough to beat in my world. So we're going to start with this Prestige, which does guarantee a hit. One auto or mem. Probably be a mem, but we'll see. You never know. See if we can grab a couple of good rookies out of this. Alright, there's Beckham. That is a Devontae Parker, Stars of the NFL. It's like a full version. I don't remember the... Oh, it's an extra points. Well, there's Kaiser White. So this is actually a parallel of the Stars of the NFL insert set. There's where it says extra points right here. Oh, that's a cool start. Looks like our hit is hiding in there, so we'll hold on to that just for fun. There's Bryant, Carlos Hyde, Tyrod Taylor, Joseph, Hewitt, Hill, highlight reel, Russell Wilson, and Lavon Coleman is our rookie card. Whitehead, Alexander, Goff, Coleman, Clark, Garoppolo, an extra points Dion Lewis parallel, and Kurt Benkert rookie card. Witten, Lattimore, Collins, Evans, Smith, Trubisky, Powerhouse, Christian McCaffrey. And Equimania St. Brown is the rookie card. AJ McCarron, Adams, Bradford, Tapper, Cousins, Van Noy, Kim DJ, extra points. Good looking card there. And John Kelly rookie card. Jenkins, Atkins, Tate, Earl Thomas, Kareem Hunt, Cooper Kupp. Here is a Sam Darnold NFL passport and Bo Scarborough rookie card. David, Mack, Hooker, Rupkowski, McCoy, Winston, Dante Pettis extra points rookie. It's not bad. And Arden Key. Alright, last pack. Let's see. Where did it go? I lost it. Oh, there it is. Let's see who our jersey is. Clay Matthews, Fitz, Woods, Fournette. It is Tyreek Hill. That's not bad. And it's a highlight reel version. The last card is Alden Tate, rookie. I like this guy. It's not numbered or anything, but not too bad. He's a little burner. He is fast. Man, I can't believe the season's coming to an end. That's depressing. So depressing. Alright, let's check out this Prizm. It seems like, seriously, it seems like spring training for baseball just for last season just started, and seriously, it will be back before you know it. Alright, this also has a guaranteed hit. We're also looking for these disco prisms. You get 3 per box on average. So obviously we're hoping those are rookie cards. Or at least one of them is. Alright, Matt Ryan, Zeke. There is 1. Corey Davis. Obviously not a rookie. Alex Smith. Kareem Hunt. Perfect. Jair Alexander rookie. And Dion Lewis. That feels like our hit. I think it's going to be a jersey card. As expected. Benjamin Beasley. Case Keenum. Parallel. And Jerick McKinnon. So not much luck on the parallels. AJ Green, Lawrence Taylor Hall of Fame, Noddy rookie, and Ryan Tannehill. Marlon Mack, Greg Olson, Ryan Izzo. So we did get 1 rookie parallel, not exactly the rookie we would have wanted, but it is what it is. Sean Watson, and it is Deshaun Hamilton, Premier Jerseys. DJ Moore, rookie, and Marshawn Lattimore. Definitely have opened better boxes of this, so that's a little bit of a letdown, but again, you can't win them all. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. We'll be back with, we got a couple of other boxes for Christmas, and nothing too crazy, but I'm trying to look down and see what I've got left. I might do a combo football baseball break. Actually, I think I will, so watch for that to be posted soon. Take care, everybody. I'll be back soon.